Good afternoon to all of you. So in this video we will be discussing important government schemes for promoting women in STEM and education. So whenever a question on women comes, you can write these schemes in your answers. So I have prepared few notes. So regarding that, I would be telling you few schemes. So the topic is government schemes promoting women in STEM and education. So now what do you mean by STEM? So STEM is simply science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So what is the role of women in STEM and education? Okay, so now let us give an introduction to this. So these initiatives aim to promote gender equality and support women's participation in science, education and research sectors. Okay, so the main is to promote gender equality and women participation in science, education and research centers. So first one is Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao, that is you can denote it by triple BP. So it promotes gender equality and encourages education of girl child. So this is a very popular scheme and we all have heard about this. So next you might have not heard about this, that is Vigyan Jyoti scheme. So supports high school girls. So this scheme is related to high school. So first Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is related to gender equality. Okay, this one is related to high school girls to pursue higher ed studies in STEM, in science, in technology, in engineering and mathematics. So Vigyan Jyoti scheme is related to high school girls. So that is the second scheme. Third scheme is Gati scheme. So Gati scheme is gender advancement transformation institutions or transforming institutions. So those kind of institutions that promotes people irrespective of gender. Okay, that is Gati. Okay, so it is a framework to measure and advance gender equality in STEM fields, that is science, technology, engineering, mathematics, launched under the gender advancement for transforming institutions. So that is the third one. So I told you about Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. So it promotes gender equality. Vigyan Jyoti scheme, so it supports high school to pursue higher studies. Okay, so third is Gati Shakti, that is gender advancement transforming institution. Next is SERB Power Program. So this SERB SERB reduces gender disparities in funding for science and technology research in academic institutions and R&D labs. Okay, so SERB Power Program reduces gender disparities in funding for science and technology research in academic institutions and R&D labs. Next is West Initiative. So introduced under iSTEM to promote women in engineering, science and technology. BioCare Initiative, Department of Biotechnology scheme to support women scientists through biotechnology career advancement and reorientation. So first of all you need to remember those schemes. So those are BioCare, West Initiative, SERB Power Program, Gati Shakti, Vigyan Jyoti and Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao is gender equality, Vigyan Jyoti is STEM for high school girls, and Gati scheme is for like advancement, gender advancement without discrimination of gender. SERB Power is for reduce gender disparities in science and technology and R&D lab. West Initiative is also same, so promote women in engineering, science and technology. BioCare, so in the field of biotechnology. So those were the 5 schemes or the 6 schemes which we discussed under the STEM topic. So that was all about the government schemes for today. Thank you very much.